Yeah.
Better. All right. Also need to tie my hair up because it looks ridiculous.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Camera. Okay.
That's something. I feel like my camera's not centered. That's why it's Okay, I'll look at the top left-hand corner.
There we go. Can you hear me? Hello? There we go.
So you all are recording something.
How's that?
This is fine.
More light?
Should I switch that light from the right?
There are lights everywhere.
The frame is okay? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I audible?
Is that alright? Check. 1, 2, 3. Good to go.
So, is Ronak ready or क्या हो रहा है?
Hi, this is Ian Bishop.
Hi, this is Sanjay Mandrekar.
Hi, this is Dale Steyn.
Hi, this is Daniel Vittori.
Hi, this is Gautam Gambhir.
Hi, this is Ajit Agarkar.
Hi, this is Akash Chopra.
Hi, I'm Deep Das Gupta.
Catch me on
ESPNcricinfo.
T20 timeout.
T20 timeout.
All cricket.
No noise.
All cricket.
No noise.
All cricket.
No noise.
All Cricket.
No noise.